Welcome to Iron Tech. In the new videos, we are going to focus on online earning. So, today I am going to tell you about a website through which I am also earning by reselling their services, and you can also earn by reselling these services. So, first of all, you will go to the parksocialpanel.com and I am going to show you my overall dashboard through this website. So my current balance is $831 and total amount that I have spent it's almost $504. Total 77 order placed. How many complaints? Nothing. So that's very interesting. And this drop you can see how many orders I have placed at which dates. So you can see here 88.3% orders completed. No order is still in processing. How much order cancels and refunded? 7.8%. Remaining payment refunded. You can also see very minute portion, and in progress a few orders that are currently running. So this is the overview of my dashboard as a client. You can also see the separate orders here, their details, remaining payments, and one more thing. Most selling services of this website is you can see ID number one, uh, almost $3.78. For example, only you have idea how much you are paying, how much you are getting 1,000 subscribers, but your client have no idea. So if you are the resellers on the Fiverr or Upwork or any other platform, you can come on this website, you can buy all these services, and you can resell at according to your own price. For example, $30, $40, or $50. So it's up to you. So there are also some descriptions here. I would like to tell you this price is according to the thousand quantity. It means you will get 1,000 quantity of these subscribers in just $3.78. Minimum 20 subscribers, maximum 45,000. If you will go into the descriptions, everything is mentioned that it's also recommended by the admin of this website. Speed 200 to 300 per day, non-drop subscribers in 2020, lifetime guaranteed, permanent, refill lifetime. Refill means if any service is dropped, it refilled without any cost. Minimum video must be above 5 minutes. It must be fresh video. Channel link you should place it. Most selling service of this website since last 4 to 5 years. Highly recommended service. So similarly, other services you can also see Facebook page followers, a lot of things you can see according to their prices and resell it on different platforms. So with details we will discuss this website. So see you in the next video. Take care, keep smiling, and goodbye.